Kim here from YugaTech, and Huawei has just announced their new photography-centric devices in Paris, France. Among them is the P20, a top-tier device with AI-assisted dual-rear Leica cameras. Join us for a closer look at the device. The P20 evokes a more mature design if we're comparing it to last year's P10. This time, it's all about the illuminating design, with glass curvature that is both pleasing to the eyes and hands. A 5.8-inch full-view display fills the front of the device. It uses a notch design that houses a 24-megapixel front camera, the call speaker grille, and other necessary sensors. If you're not a fan, there's an option to add a black bar to hide the notch. The aluminum sides are curved outward to provide better grip. Antenna bands are still present to enable better signal reception. The volume rocker and power button are located at the right side, while a set of speakers and the Type-C port are at the bottom. Sorry, but there's no audio jack here. Flip the device on its back and we find the dual 12-megapixel RGB and 20-megapixel monochrome rear cameras that carry with them new features, including 3D portrait, an AI-assisted photography scenario picker called Master AI, a new Leica color photography system that enhances colors as you take them, and professional framing options that aim to improve your composition to professional standards. As such, the photography is said to be taken to another level with better low-light reception, 960fps slow-motion video, and AI-powered image stabilization. These are said to be all achieved thanks to the Kirin 970 chip and its dedicated neural processing unit that we first saw in action with the Mate 10 and Mate 10 Pro. The P20 is also said to be splash-resistant with its IP53 certification and will sport the company's EMUI 8.1 on top of Android Oreo right out of the box. The Huawei P20 comes in twilight, pink gold, midnight blue, black, and champagne gold colors. It carries a €669 price tag and will be available in key regions starting today. And that wraps up our hands-on of the Huawei P20. As always, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and hit the bell icon to be notified of all our future uploads. Once again, this is Kim of YugaTech, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye!